Hello, everyone. Today we are excited to welcome a very special guest that many of you have the chance to already learn from her expertise. Today I have with me Tia Feltner, our Regulatory Affair Manager, who's here to share why JAFRA Expertise Collection is truly more than just hair care. Welcome, Tia.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. I'm excited to be here and to talk about some really awesome products that we have.
Thank you so much for taking the time to share with us all of, the great things about our products. You are like a masterpiece behind all the products our clients and consultants use on their daily basis. So just for those that don't know Tia, if you don't mind just sharing a little bit of what you do here at JAFRA.
So I am the person who makes sure that all of your products are safe and compliant in the each of the states, and we check the formulations. We do safety testing. We do all that stuff. So we make sure that all of our products are good to go for all of our clients.
Thank you so much, Tia. So, JAFRA Beauties, we hope that you grab your coffee and enjoy this training because today we are not just going to talk about a regular shampoo or conditioner that you might find at the store. We are going to share all the good benefits about our JAFRA Expertise Collection. So, Tia, I know you have something really exciting to share with us, some fun facts about hair care. So, take it away.
Awesome. So, doing some research, I actually was able to see that your scalp, which I'm sure maybe you guys didn't know, your scalp is also skin, right? It ages just like your face, but also it ages faster than the skin on your face. And that can really impact your hair growth and your hair quality. And another thing is it's often neglected, right? We have so much hair that's covering it that you can't always get to like the root of your scalp. And it's not as easy to protect it against things like UV exposure. You know, we have sunscreens that we put on our face and our skin, but that's not available as much for your scalp. So we really need to do our best to like keep it healthy. Also, color treated or heat styled hair, it can lose moisture up to 3 times faster. So I don't know about you guys. I bleach my hair a little bit, a couple times a year, and my hair does get pretty dry. So it's really important that we replenish that moisture to make sure that it's not drying out and becoming brittle. Another fun fact too is that your hair is made up with 90% protein, and actually the form that's the most common is keratin, which I'm sure you guys have heard before. When it's dry or damaged, it really needs nourishment, just like our skin does. If it's dried out, we need to do what we can to put products on it that help replenish all of those nutrients.
Thank you, Tia. And I know our collection, you're going to share with us one of a hero ingredient that really helps with that nourishing of our hair. And you might be asking Jafra Beauties or clients who are watching this short training, why botanical expertise? So here at Jafra, we just don't, create any product. We always do our diligence, like Tia said. It is dermatologist tested for allergy and irritancy. It's also made with plant extracts, which Tia is going to share with us all the fabulous benefits of the ingredients. And it's also designed to address hair concern, just like we look at, you know, um, serums for our face that are going to help us target any concern. Well, this collection is going to help us address any hair concern that you might have. And it's not just fragrance, you're actually doing a hair care routine. So, Tia, share with us the amazing benefits of this ingredient.
Awesome. Yes. So, in almost all of the botanical expertise products, one of the key plant-based ingredients that we highlight is the hydrolyzed vegetable protein that you're seeing on the screen. It's in all of the products except for the split end repair capsules. But this ingredient really helps to reduce breakage and improve the elasticity of your hair. If your hair is feeling lifeless and brittle, this ingredient will really help to condition and strengthen it and just bring it back to life. So this is why we put this in, almost all the products because it works great for the things that we all want and need.
And this is how I remember this ingredient. It's the hero behind the shine. Who doesn't love when your hair looks, not shiny in a bad way, but it has that, natural glow. It's very manageable. I love when my hair feels like that. So this ingredient is going to help you with that. In your hair. And like Tia said, it's almost in all of our collection. So first, Tia, just like any routine, the first step is, you know, cleansers. In this case, is our shampoo. So our botanical expertise is the shampoo is going to refresh your hair with gentle cleansers and rich moisture. So share with us, why is this shampoo different from others?
So what's really great about this product in particular is it's really nutrient rich, right? It's lightweight, but it's also formulated to cleanse and hydrate if you have dry, dull, or damaged hair. We're really trying to help deliver visible improvements in what you were saying before, like shine and moisture and manageability. We really want to see your hair feel clean, but also be moisturizing because sometimes you can use products that it cleans really well, but almost cleans too well and it strips your hair. This one, you're not going to see that because we also have the moisturizing element along with the cleansing. And one of the hero ingredients of this product is the Vitazon Complex, which is a JAFRA exclusive blend of your essential vitamins like vitamin E, vitamin C, to help moisturize and strengthen your hair, along with some of the Amazonian ingredients. I might say this wrong, babasu oil and muru muru butter, which also help with shine and smoothness. And then the ingredient we were just talking about, the hydrolyzed vegetable protein, to help reinforce the hair from within. So really good
Beautiful.
stuff in this one.
Beautiful. Thank you, Tia. So we move on to our second step in your hair care routine, which is um, your conditioner. Some people skip this step, some cannot live without conditioner, and that is my daughter. She needs to have conditioner when she cleans her hair. So this conditioner is going to provide nourishing hydration without weighing down your hair, which is, I think that's a fabulous thing, Tian, don't you think?
Yeah. And I think, for somebody like me, I have very fine, thin hair. And that's something that's really important for me, right? I need to get the nutrients and the moisturization from a conditioner, but I also need to make sure that it's not weighing it down next to my scalp. I need to keep the volume and make it look lively. So this one is definitely going to help with your dryness, help with your damage and that hydration to put the hydration back into your hair, but also not making it way down. Um, One of the plant-based ingredients that we really like to highlight with this one is the green tea oil, and it is full of antioxidants and more nourishing ingredients to help that dry, damaged hair.
Perfect. So Jafra Beauty is just like any routine again. So I'm kind of picturing this like your skincare routine, your hair care routine, your body care. We need that weekly reset product that is going to help us with even, deep moisturizing, and it's our hair mask, Tia. So share with us all the benefits about these hair masks that can be used once or twice a week.
Yeah, so I think this one is great because sometimes, your conditioner is just not enough. And we do, like you said, need that extra push to make sure that our hair is getting the nourishment that it needs. I don't know about you guys, but I do bleach my hair. I do use heat tools sometimes. I blow dry, I curl. So this product is designed to help kind of try to repair that damage from if there's any harsh chemicals that you've used, that curling iron, I don't even, what is it? I don't think anybody uses crimpers anymore, but any of those out, even just going out into the world, there's plenty of environmental factors that can also affect you. These antioxidants and everything will help protect you from that. This product is there to restore your shine, the softness of your hair, and also just increasing the strength and manageability. This algae extract is the plant-based ingredient that helps retain moisture at an even deeper level. That's why you don't have to use it as often, but it smells great and it really makes your hair feel moisturized and give it that extra oomph that you're looking for.
And something that I love what you said is that we don't need to apply it for a long period of time. It's you either do it once or twice a week depending on your hair. But the other thing that I love about it, Tia, is that you let it sit for 5 minutes. So maybe, if you're in the shower while you do your other routines, you can apply your hair mask and you can really, after the first use, I've used this one. It's one of my favorite ones. You can feel how your hair, is just very manageable, very soft. It smells amazing. So I hope you guys give it a try. And with that said, we're moving on to our next product here in this collection, Tia, which is our hair detangling shine spray that it's going to help smooth away tangles and restore shine for a healthy look. So share with us all the good stuff about this product that sometimes we might think we don't need until we use it and we love it.
Yeah, this product is great because it really is that multitasking hero, right? It starts with effortlessly detangling and softening your hair, which is in the name, but it even takes it a step further, right? And we even get anti-breakage benefits. It also adds shine and also helps to increase strength and elasticity to help prevent brittleness on your hair. So this product really does a little bit of everything. Even though, it is called a detangling spray, it does have more benefits than just that. And it does the plant-based ingredient that we talked about a little bit earlier, the hydrolyzed vegetable protein, is that hero in this product.
Thank you. And the next one, what I was sharing at the beginning, it's one of my favorite. My daughter loves it. It just enhances that gloss in your hair. Is our hair nourishing oil that it's going to instantly infuse your hair with healthy looking softness and radiant shine. And what is the key ingredient on this one, Tia?
Yeah, so the key plant-based ingredient for this product is argan oil, right? And I'm sure everybody's heard of it. It's a very popular ingredient. It is chock full of antioxidants and fatty acids, all of the good things that your hair really needs to look shiny and healthy. And this goes into the product that is also, even though it's nourishing, it's still lightweight and it's still non-greasy, right? So you can put the oil on, but it's not going to feel greasy and oily. Like it's just giving you the taming, like, what is it? It makes your hair just look more tame and shiny and the way that it's supposed to look.
Love it. But Jafra Beauties, I have a question here. Raise your hand. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever feel like your hair is very healthy, looks super nice, but then you look at your ends and you're like, oops, they need love. Have you gone through that, Tia?
Yes, unfortunately I have. And I think I think the thing we have to direct everybody to is though, we have some grapeseed oil that could really help us with something like that. The grapeseed oil is actually the key plant-based extract that helps to really seal in moisture and make your hair look smooth and silky and help to control frizz. And if you're seeing those dry, brittle ends, and this is actually found in the split end hair repair capsules.
I love it. And Tia, I don't wash my hair every day. I want to hear from our JAFRA beauties. What is your hair care routine? How I use the capsules. There is really not a rule. It all depends how you feel your hair, how you want to use them. But the way that I use them, I want to give you guys a tip. Um, the day that I don't wash my hair, I put it on the ends and then I just put my hair in a bun. I go to sleep, and the next day it's just like my hair got that refresh while I was sleeping. I just go through my hair with my fingers and it looks so healthy and shiny and it helps with the frizz. So, what are other benefits about these capsules, Tia?
So, yeah, this one is great because, like you said, I think it helps give you that extra smoothing and silky look. The shine and the frizz is a really important part, right? Because when your hair splits, it starts to look frizzy and like dry and crusty. And these split end repair capsules really kind of give it that extra layer of protection to help prevent new split ends and to also kind of minimize the appearance of the ones that you already have and just to make it feel really healthy.
Thank you, Tia. And with that, we complete our botanical expertise, knowledge, all the expertise that we have from Tia here. We really appreciate you joining us today. And Jet for Beauties, now it's your turn to turn your hair routine into a ritual. Which product do you think you're gonna add to your hair care routine from this collection, or are you going to just refresh your hair care routine into JAFRA expertise? It's your turn to try it to really feel the difference of your clean, healthy hair, don't you think, Tia?
I think that'd be awesome. I hope you guys all love it and really get your hair looking shiny in this new year.